It is a very wet school run this morning. And is it weird that I actually kind of like it? Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of the week for our house move. So this is the current situation in the lounge. So we've got Mason's bed over here, which we're currently using as, well, Mason's mattress, which we're currently using as our sofa. And then this bed is our Super King mattress that we're taking to the new house with us. But because we've taken the kids' beds down already, the kids are sleeping in our bed for now. And we are sleeping in here just because we can then, I can just put that back up against the wall, like, once Lila's not in it anymore. I can just put it back up against the wall and have the space. So that's just how we're kind of doing it for this week. So we're sleeping in here on this and the kids are using our bed right up until the point that we take our bed apart and give it away because we're not taking that with us. So yeah, so this is the situation of, like, we've just woken up and the telly has naturally just gone immediately on because that's the way it is in my house. It looks a bit messy, but it's actually not that bad. It's literally just a couple of mattresses and some duvets and pillows. So that will all be put away in a minute, and then I can get cracking with like packing and all of the millions of things that I've got to do. Kurt keeps telling me that I'm massively overreacting and making a mountain out of a molehill because apparently, like, it could all be done the day before we move. Whereas I'm, like, flapping around 4 days before we move trying to do it all. And I think he's bonkers because I think, why? Like, you're going to go to work and I'm going to be left at home with the children packing. There's no way I could do that, like, the day before we move. So anyway, so I'm going to get cracking with that. I'm pretty sure Kirk's going to be home early at some point today again, because they just keep getting rained off. But yeah, so if he comes home, then I might be able to wrangle him into actually doing some stuff for me, like taking things apart and sorting, maybe like starting to pack his own stuff up because he just hasn't like packed anything yet. But yes, so that is going to be how the day is going to unfold. Bit of packing, bit of sorting stuff. I need to drop some stuff off at the charity shop somehow, although I don't have a car, so I might have to see if Kirk will do that. And some phone calls that I need to make as well, because at the moment, nothing is actually fully set in stone for our move on Friday. It's very, very, very likely, but we just are waiting for like one little thing to happen, which is the buyer getting their funds, which is freaking me out a little bit, but I'm keeping the faith that that is going to happen. And I also need to get my computer out. I need to write up a quick letter that I'm going to get my mum to print off for me. My dad's hopefully going to drop it into me, and then I just need to scan it onto the online system for the solicitor, and then boom, we are good to go. So I'm going to crack on with that now, and stick around. And voila. Tidied up most of the mess away. The mattress is gone. We've just got this mattress, which is our sofa. Lila's chilling out in there, probably getting hungry now. This is just a pile of stuff that's going to the charity shop, etc. Washing that is now dry and needs to go away. Oh, lots of whingy children. So yeah, so I'm going to do that washing, and I'm going to do the letter that I need to send over for my mum to print. And then I'll start packing. Oh, Baba, Baba. Oh, Baba, Baba. Oh, Baba, Baba. What's wrong? There's a girl. Let's have a smile. Stopping for a cheeky bacon sandwich.
It's not a cheeky bacon sandwich. That's a massive bacon sandwich.
I've finally managed to convince Kirk to actually do something. So he is now in the bedroom sorting his clothes out, packing, like he's getting out basically the outfits that he needs for the next 4 days, which is work clothes, and packing the rest away, which is some progress because it's actually getting his butt off the sofa. So I'm just popping out in my dad's Mini because I still don't have my car. Popping out in my dad's Mini, gonna go to the shop, get some beans, get some bread so we can all have beans on toast for tea, and then I'm gonna pick the kids up from school. Bit of a mad panic rush, but we've all just jumped in the car because my sister-in-law is down from, I don't know if she's still in Ipswich or if she's moved or not, but she's down from somewhere further away. And so we are gonna go around and visit her. Now, just at Slimming World, and it's pouring with rain. Hey, what are you doing? So I'm really sorry that was all like a bit of a mad rush there, and I didn't really get to show you much of what happened this evening. But we had the phone call to say that my sister-in-law was down, and we didn't actually know that she was going to be down. So we made a real quick dash to go and see her, and then we were busy saying hello, so we didn't kind of take any footage or film any of that because that's boring. And then pretty much as soon as we got home from that, I dashed out to Slimming World, where I lost 1.5 pounds. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So that's good. And then I pretty much came home, and this is where I've been ever since, just feeding Lila and having a little bite to eat and stuff. So yeah, so sorry that kind of just became really rushed at the end and a bit crazy, but that is generally what happened. And I am going to call it a day because it is 20 to 11 right now. So I'm going to get my mattress down from over there, put the sheet on it and that big foamy thing, and have some sleep. And tomorrow should be the day that we actually find out for definite if we are moving on Friday or if we are going to have to wait a little bit longer. So prayers please that we are moving on Friday like we are expecting. So yes, so thanks so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.